Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest products so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Gasuuo vintage wooden CD holder. A stylish storage solution designed to hold up to 26 CDs, cassette tapes, or DVDs. This compact organizer measures approximately 13.7 inches in depth, 7 inches in width, and 5.7 inches in height, making it ideal for desktops, cabinets, or even small shelving units. The wooden construction adds a touch of rustic charm, with a vintage brown finish that blends seamlessly with most home and office decor. One of the standout features of this rack is its portability. Equipped with two reinforced handles, it allows you to easily pick up, carry, and reposition the unit as needed. This makes it perfect for those who like to rearrange their space or transport their collection between rooms. Beyond CDs, this versatile rack can hold a variety of media, including movie discs, tapes, and even small decorative items. Its internal design provides easy access, so you can quickly find the disc you're looking for. The size is compact enough to save space but still provides enough capacity for a standard CD collection. Another clever design aspect is its stackable feature. You can align multiple units vertically, connecting the upper unit to the lower one, creating a custom storage solution that showcases your collection while keeping it organized. Assembly is required, but the process is straightforward. The package includes all necessary screws and tools, making it easy to put together without extra equipment. The high-quality wood panel construction ensures durability, while the rounded edges and heightened base provide stability and prevent tipping. Whether you're looking to organize your media, add a decorative element to your room, or create a stylish music corner, the Gasuuo vintage wooden CD holder combines function and aesthetics. It's lightweight yet sturdy, portable yet elegant, and perfect for anyone looking to keep their collection tidy and accessible. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in a compact, vintage-inspired CD organizer that can also serve as a display piece, the Gasuuo wooden CD holder is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.